Hey, what's up? I think the first video was a bit long, so but I can't make it more shorter because that was a thing actually I had to show you. So after you done the entire step, I mean I showed on show you on the step one. The step two is the part where what actually do by me, because my friend is mostly do the listing and do the things I shown here on the first part and a little bit work on the second stuff, but I publish them because there are as I told you, there is a difference between a simple listing or a general listing and a perfect listing. So whenever you are creating a listing from Printify, it's as usually a general listing. This listing have less chances to getting sales, so you have to make it perfect while you are on the Esty. But on this video I will show you how you make this listing as a active listing on your Esty. Always remember, Esty takes 0.20 cent, which is 20 cent for each listing, so each listing count. So you have to always very sincere here. So before after I created on the listing on the Printify, as you can see here, this is showing the two hidden listing here. Okay, so I go on the Esty and I click on the listing. Then most of listing will be on the draft. The listing I make active, they will go to the active, but most of listing is go will on the draft. So I click on draft and you see this, this is the work what he has done today. I mean there are listing here, as you can see he already did this listing, so I have to check them and make them active. But before I that is another thing. So at first we will work on this listing. So this is a school mushroom listing, you see. So I will make this listing active at first, then I will make it perfect. So I will make it active as a general first. So I click that listing. And as you can see there is a title here, so we already put the title, and this place is place for the image and video. So if you click there and you can adjust the thumbnail here like this, how it appear on the search. So we will not, I normally not use the thumbnail is showing here, but for this time I am just showing you how you can do it. So here and make the done. Then hit apply. Then on the second step it's showing you the description. So the description is already there because we put it on the description. So that is, and there is a personalization. If you want to put any personalization and anything you can do there, so you can just add instruction for the buyer, make personalization optional. So I always make it optional. So if they want to personalize something here, so we have to give the chances to the buyer. Then the price and inventory and the scoop. So price and inventory already been set up, and here is homemade product with assistant, it already set up, and the category is already set up. So you have to here the primary color. So if you can check one, that is fine. If you not check, that is fine as well. Sustainability, I normally put this option because this is very important. This is not a mandatory option, but if you keep that, that will help you on the search. And hit on the show on attribute, and sleeve length you have to put the long sleeve because it is a long sleeve. here is the closer. You have to put the pullover because the pullover's closer is that. Clothing style is minimalist, is the normally thing I use. If that cloth is created for any occasion, you can put the occasion here. I normally put the birthday. Holiday, I don't put the holiday. And on the graphic, I normally plant and trees. And here is the tags. This is the place where you have to use the tags. So I will go over to the top on my description, and as you see, I put it on this listing on bottom, the tags. So I can just copy it from here, and I put it here, and I hit add. So there is still one tag I can use, one to go. So if you can use 12, I normally use the 13, but you can use 12. So I will just make it 20 sweatshirt, and all 13 is used. Materials, this is we already tell them on the top, that is how this is created. Organic cotton and polyester. Also this item is listed on the description, so this is not something you have to give. Then this is the profile. We already selected the profile, so it is already fixed here. If that is not fixed, then you have to fix it here. Then here is the place for shop section, how you want to this listing to be appear. So I will put it on the sweatshirt. We have a section called sweatshirt. If you want to put the listing as a feature, I will not make this listing as a feature listing right now, but for Esty ads, yes, we will run Esty ads for this campaign. And then we hit publish with the changes. He's saying somewhere probably please fix this following. Where is the following error? Variation. There is some screw problem here, so I have to fix that. I don't know what's happening, but I think rather going to would like to okay, the new version is having some problem, so better I just I just have to be selected that pullover, choose long sleeve, clothing style minimalistic, occasion is birthday, and then graphic is flowers, and then I just copy the tags here. Actually I just doing that part again because the new version is not working as expected, so I just put it here, one to go. Everything is fine. Personalization, I will just keep the personalization optional, and the shipping profile is there. Okay, and I will make the Esty ads campaign, and then I will hit the publish, and it will show me there is a non-refundable fee for 20, and I will hit the publish, and then my listing is live here. So this is a general listing. This is how the listing works, and he do, but this is not a accurate listing, or this is not a perfect listing, because the each of the images are same. I mean, they are almost same. There is no color chart here, and there is no height weight chart here. So if you go over to this listing here, you will see they have a color chart for their item, and they have a size chart for their item. Also, each of the items are pretty unique and natural, so that's why they are selling well. So if you just put it here, it might be not sell well, or even not even selling. So all we have to do, that is, we just have to keep these images as usually, but we have to add some custom images, I mean the custom mockups on this, and I will show you how to make a listing perfect on another video. So these two videos will be the everything for how you can select a design and create a listing for Esty and make it publish. And on next video I will show you how I take one listing to the next level or perfect level. Hopefully that helps. Thank you.